Now let's look at for loop, how for loop works in Python. So this piece of code is doing sum up to integer number capital N. Now capital N is equal to input enter value of n which is greater than 0 equal to. So basically it is asking user to enter a value which is converted into integer and assigned to variable capital N. Sum is initialized to 0. For I in range 1 comma n plus 1. So basically we want to run this loop n times. That's why we have written like this: for I in range 1 comma n plus 1, sum plus or equal to I, print iteration number comma I, print sum. So these two statements are inside the for loop. So these two statements will be printed up to n times and then sum will be printed. I hope for loop is clear. Now run this program. If I have entered 2, so we can see that this print statement is inside the for loop. So this for loop is executed twice. So 1 comma 3, range 1 comma 3 is going to run this for loop twice, or statements inside for loop twice. So I hope the logic is clear. Now let's rerun and try to understand. So this particular loop is running up to 5 times. So if we write capital N only, then it will run up to 4 times. That's why we have written n plus 1 here, because it is inside this range. So I hope logic is clear how for loop works in Python. Thank you.